Hello everyone, my name is Omar Borges. I live in Bogota. I like watching movies. I play football and I am thinner than my father. Now I am going to talk about my family. My mother is to the left of my father. She's Maria Martinez. She's 40 years old. Her eyes are green and she has dark hair. My mother is more intelligent than my younger brother and she is wonderful woman. My father is Elias Borges. He is 50 years old and he is a merchant. My father is very nice. He has blue eyes and he is bolder than me. My younger brother is Michael Borges. He is next to my mother. He is a student and he is from Bogota. My younger brother is very noisy and funnier than my father. I love my family because they are wonderful.